Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Just wanted to talk about the recent uptick in the crypto markets and talk about a little bit what I've been up to. So, if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram, definitely check it out. It's more of a personal Instagram, but I'm looking to post some business content on there soon. So, definitely give me a follow. And if you need to reach out to me, direct messaging me on here is definitely a great way to reach out, or direct message me on YouTube. That'd be greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys have any comments on what I could possibly do moving forward as far as video ideas, definitely let me know in the comments below or with the direct message. That'd be greatly appreciated as well. All right, so moving on to the crypto markets recently. I'm going to pull up this chart real quick. We can see that we bounced off the lows of about what with this 5,800 all the way up to about 7,500 here, depending on what exchange you're at. So it's definitely a great run. A big part of this move has happened this week on the 16th, 17th, and 18th with a big uptick from about 6,000 to 7,500 almost. So I want to talk about how this could be really good for the market and so maybe some of the reasons as to why this happened. So I'm going to go over a few articles, just two articles real quick. I think they do a good job at overviewing what could happen moving forward and why this happened. So 5 reasons that make August 2018 great for cryptocurrencies market. I'm not going to read any of these articles fully. I just want to highlight a few of the things they're talking about. So European Parliament's report advises regulators to engage rationally with cryptos. So the European Parliament definitely wants to work with cryptos. Says policymakers and regulators should not ignore virtual currencies and not try to ban them. Both extreme approaches are incorrect. So it seems like the European Parliament definitely wants to accept cryptocurrencies. There's a meeting of G20 finance ministers in Argentina. So same things. Definitely seems like Argentina wants to accept and deal with digital currencies, especially Bitcoin. Um, there's a Ripple trial on August 8th. I'm not too knowledgeable on this topic, but this definitely seems like um, it could be huge, especially to see what happens after. It seems like the suit against Ripple is for stock fraud. Plaintiff claims that this Ripple Lab Inc. is manipulating the price of its own encrypted currency, take advantage of deceptive moves, and that they're cash and not real currency. So we'll see what happens there. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is studying the Bitcoin ETF index. So the CBOE, I think it just did receive approval. So this ETF is going to be out very soon. And August 2018 is a candidate on the basis of history. So if you looked back in history at August, June to July last year had a sharp decline from 2,900. Then it began to recover, rising along 8 month to 4,700 at 31 August. So it definitely seems likely that we could see a reversal here and it could begin to recover. So another article I wanted to cover is Tom Lee. He thinks that Bitcoin's price chart shows huge bullish signal, says Tom Lee. He's a Fundstrat Global advisor on managing partner and chief analyst. So pretty much he goes on CNBC to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. He's usually on there quite a bit. I don't really watch mainstream media, but I do see some YouTube highlights of when he's on there. Definitely a big bull for crypto, so take what he says with a grain of salt. But if you're a bull, this definitely seems like a good spike in Bitcoin price. So he talks about the spike. He said over the weekend there are quite a lot of folks who are talking about technical analysis and the potential formation of either an inverse head and shoulders or Wyckoff buy-off. So it sounds like the technicals are really starting to become more favorable. And at the same time, he doesn't deny the positive impact on the impact of positive news on the price of Bitcoin. Speaking on the recent patent granted to MasterCard for increasing the speed of cryptocurrency payments. He said, I think something like MasterCard news is positive because it's really validating the idea that digital money or blockchain based money is a valid form of transaction. So he's really just kind of reinforcing that this current price is a huge bull signal. He's talking about how BTC trades roughly around 30% below its 200-day moving average. Bitcoin has bottomed off. Bitcoin trading 30% below its 200-day is a huge big bull signal. If you look forward 6 months, you're going to do pretty well owning Bitcoin. Probably making money is over 90% with 6 months if you buy a BTC when it's trading around 30% below its 200-day moving average. So I definitely agree with him here. And congratulations to everyone who bought that dip. You're definitely sitting pretty well right now. I think it's going to be interesting moving forward to see what happens with the overall market. I'm going to talk about my strategy real quick moving forward. Hold on. This is going to make me want to sign up here. Let me refresh this real quick for you guys. Alright, so as you can see, let me throw out a few indicators real quick though. I just talked about this chart real quick. I'm going to throw on RSI and EMA, two really simple indicators to understand. So if you guys want to learn more about indicators, check out my channel. I've done a lot of videos on indicators and the different indicators that I like to use. RSI and EMA, two of the most basic used indicators, the relative strength index and the exponential moving average. So as you can see, when we're above the EMA or the exponential moving average, it looks like we're trending up. And when we're below the EMA, we're trending down. And when it comes to RSI, usually it looks like the price is bottoming out when we're oversold or below 30 on the RSI. And usually it looks like the price is pretty high when we're above 70 or overbought on the RSI. So my plan moving forward, I mean, if you zoom out here, there's a lot of potential for the upside. Obviously, there's some pretty key resistance levels. But I definitely think 7,000 was one of them. As you can see, there's this right here. So we broke that 7,000 mark, which I think is huge. I think the next big mark for us to break, obviously 8,000 would be a big move as well, but anywhere around this next support, like I said, around 8,000 here, that's going to be a huge break. I mean, from there we can move to 9,500, upwards of 10,000, and who knows, all the way back up to even 20,000 by the end of the year. So the upside definitely seems pretty high here on Bitcoin. My plan moving forward is if I see the RSI bottom out below 30 again, definitely going to add some. Definitely going to buy some altcoins to get some higher risk, higher reward. I was doing pretty well with altcoins last year. I just haven't really been following the market as closely, so I'm going to do some more research. I'll probably make a new altcoin video on what my favorite or the hottest altcoins that I think are going to be for 2018, or the end of 2018 that is. So check out that, look out for that video. I'll definitely try to drop that this week, and maybe I'll make another video on Binance doing some day trading or some swing trading. So let me know if you guys want to see that down below in the comments. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Check out my socials and follow them below if you want to keep in touch with what I'm doing. And check out all the affiliate links below. All those links go back to helping the channel. So if you want to get started trading crypto, check out Coinbase. If you want to get started trading stocks, check out Robinhood. Definitely check out my Discord. Sorry for that alert. That was a stock alert. I'll make another stock trading video as well. I've been doing a lot of that. That's the main source of my income right now. Just haven't really gotten around to recording too many videos for that. So I appreciate all the support you guys have been given. And like I said, if you guys have any future video ideas, comment that down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.